I think response was good. We as of day before yesterday, we had touched I think around 75 lakh pilgrims, and I think for the last, if you take the account for the last 3 days, that is till tomorrow, I expect it to easily cross 80 lakhs.
तुमचे टार्गेट 80 lakhs
But there was no target as such.
Huh.
But we worked on an estimate that there would be around 80 lakhs. You see, targets are fixed, but we should be able to achieve it. If we had to fix a target, then we would have to request all of you all, come please join to achieve the target. So no target was kept. But we could foresee that, with Christmas season and other festivities, that people were coming even from abroad. People were coming from all over. So everything was like to take advantage of these things. People have also come for the exposition. I don't know who's spreading the rumor. This definitely is not the church authorities have clarified. Government has not fixed the exposition. It is the church authorities who fix, and the church has clarified that this is not the last.